Hi, Reese. What are we gonna do? We're gonna go swimming. You're gonna go swimming in your clothes. Show how strong you are. Look, there's the prettiest little girl in the whole wide world.
I'm going to push her down one.
Mommy! You're doing good, Reese.
This is where it gets on. Find your head. Good. That was perfect, Reese. Okay, we're almost there. Let's go off the side a couple times. Okay, can you swim to the side of the room? Okay, we're almost
Doing good, Reese.
See what your heart. It makes it really hard with that jacket not zipping. It weighs a ton.
Yeah, I put that on her. I'm like, oh, geez.
Oh no, you're gonna fall in. You're doing really good. Let's do a couple off the side. We'll be all done. Oh my goodness. We're almost done. Ready? Let's stand up here. Ready?
Oh, you're doing great, Reese.
Hi. Oh, lips. Hi. Okay, let's see if we can swim to the steps in this. This is really pretty. You know, I'm going to flip you one more time. I know. This is the last flip, okay? You are doing so good, Reese. This is not easy, especially with... Let's go get the steps and get out.
She wants to swim. Yay, Reese. Good job.
She looks amazing.
Can you get that step?
Poor thing, it's like she swims and she's not going anywhere.
No. Wow, you're almost there, Reese. Yeah, you're right there. There's the step.
Wow. Can you get out? Do you know how to get out? Can you get out of the pool? Yeah, I know. You has to feel how heavy. Okay, there you go. You made it to the side. I am so proud of you. Do you want to think?